Statistics, but more specifically something called pictograms and what that looks like. And we have two guests with us today, Humphrey and Jeffrey, and they're going to be learning and helping you guys at home learn a little bit about what that means. All right, okay, so pictograms. Let's draw like a little graph and little stats like this. Okay, so can you guys give me a sport you like?
Football.
All right, let's put that on the top there because that's obviously a popular one. What's another sport?
Hockey.
Okay, really good. Hockey. All right, and then I'm going to put tennis is the other one, and then cricket is the one down here. All right, so a tally chart would look like this. So tallies are where you draw little lines that go down, and this shows how many of the students have voted for this sport. So if I went to 5, you then draw like a little barn gate closed like that, and that shows that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's say sport on hockey. I'm going to do 2 for that one, and then tennis, let's say we're going to give that 6, and then cricket, how many do you want to give cricket?
Let's give cricket 4.
4. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's now give football a couple more. All right. So in this pictogram, which sport shows to be the most popular? Which one's got the most on it?
Football.
Good. How many's on football? How many kids have voted for it? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9.
Well done, really good. Really well done, guys. Now, which sport's got the least favourite? Which has got the least amount of views on it? And which
Hockey.
one? Hockey. All right, how many's hockey got?
1, 2.
Well done. Thank you so much for watching another maths tutorial. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.